What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sell a car in 24 hours. When I buy a used car, to me it's going to be my new car. So I like it to be serviced, and me as a seller, I'm doing the service for you so you don't have to worry. Until 5,000 miles, you only need to change the oil. What I will be doing today is, number one, we do headlight restoration. Number two, we do the oil and filter change. And number three is we changing all 4 rotors and brake pad. That way, car will be perfect and ready for the road, ready for a new buyer. And lastly, but not least, of course, we gotta detail the car for our new buyer. And since most of the parts for mostly hasn't arrived yet, so let's go ahead and start finishing this project. So to start with the headlight restoration, I'm going to start with 600 sanding paper and then jumping into 2500 and then we buff it. 3 steps are done. You can see the difference between this light and that light. That light I haven't even tested yet. Look at this one. It's like a new light. Let's jump to that one so we can start with the brake. Now we get both headlights finished. We jump to step number 2, which is changing the oil. To change the oil, this is exactly what you would need. New oil and filter, something to drain your oil, and 2 jack stands to support the car. A jack, of course, to lift the car. And then size 15 or 14, depending on your car. If your filter is too tight, you might need something like this. So for my car, it's actually size 14. For the RAV4, actually, you might need to invest in this part right here to open the filter. Size 64mm or 14 fluids, whatever you wanna name it. But this is the piece that you need to actually open the filter from the RAV4. So what we're gonna do now is take the old filter out, and then we clean this. It's all cleaned up. This is the old rubber that comes out here. We replace it with the new one. The new rubber is in. Make sure you just lubricate it so when it comes in, it sits nice and flushed. That's it. Now it's ready to go back in there. Now we start putting the new oil in here, which takes about 4.5 quarts, OW20. All right, now I put approximately 4.6 quarts in there, but since the car is lifted, and I'm gonna start with the brakes. When we drop the car down, we have to check the oil level. I'm going to jump to step number 3, start changing the brakes on the rotors. So I'm gonna start to do another method. Put these ones loose in here and then lower the car, move it back and forward. With the weight of the car, this should actually make the wheel come loose. Stuck. So let's do the same thing. Put this back in here. Then what I'm gonna do now, lower the car and try it. This wheel, you heard it, but I don't know about the other one. At least we got one wheel loose. I guess we're doing this side first. driver side rotor and driver side brake pads are being done. I'm just gonna slap the wheel back in there and jump to the rear one. Let's go ahead and install this before it gets dark. And just like that, we're done with the driver's side. Right, after like half an hour, I finally managed to get that wheel unstuck by lifting it all the way and then dropping the car, because with driving the car back and forward, it doesn't help it. So I lifted the car, I dropped it, and it literally just popped out. So loose wheel. We'll continue in the morning. Let's start lifting the car and finish those brakes so we can get to step number 4, which is detailing the car. The front brakes is done. Now we have the last one, which is the rear one. And I brought my friend here, Abraham. And because of him, I know this video is going to be famous because the last video I recorded with him was my most views video on YouTube. So let's go ahead, changing the rear rotors on the brakes so we can start detailing the car. Alright, so meanwhile Abraham's going to help me change that last brake. I'm going to go ahead and start detailing the car. I'm happy I asked Abraham to change the last rotor because it's stuck. Let's start vacuuming the car first. Alright, so we got Abraham almost done with this wheel. And I'm almost done with that side of the car detailing, so doing a good job, bro. That's a nice caliper in there. After he's done with the wheel, mechanically that car is gonna be sound. Once we lower the car, mechanically it's done. My jack needs some lube. Okay. All new brakes, headlight restored. Yes sir, oil is changed, new filter housing. Now let's finish detailing it. Get it, Barham, get it. Get it, Barham. Barham. this car finished step number 4, detailing. Now we start putting the mats back, tire shine, take pictures, put it in the marketplace. Alright, lastly but not least, if you do have a tire pressure sign on your dashboard and you don't want to go to the gas station or you don't have a compressor at home, I recommend you getting the smart electric pump from Qusito. You can use it for your motorcycle, for your car, for your bicycle, whatever you want. Let's go ahead and pump the tires before we start taking pictures and put it in the marketplace. It comes with a user manual, and as you can see, it comes with the 12 voltage, so you can just use it in your car. You can also use it in a USB flash drive. You can pump a ball, basketball, football, whatsoever. Also comes with a bag to protect it when you're done with it, and that's to what you pump with it. And here's the device. You can see it's very small. It has a flashlight here as well. So let's go ahead and pump the tires. You can see here I have 30 psi when I'm supposed to pump 35. So you just set it up to the psi you want and it's gonna go accordingly. Very, very convenient. And if you like this one, you can find the link down below with 15% discount from Qusito. It stops by itself. I honestly like this device, so use my 15% code discount below and order your one. Again, you see like my PSI is 29, set it up to 35, click start. Now I'll do the exact same thing to the other wheels to sell the car without any lights on the dash. Make sure you visit their website and order that pump with 15% discount. All right, now the step before the end, which is taking pictures. That's it, now I took all my pictures. And that's it with this project. Headlight restoration, oil and filter change. We changed the oil filter housing. All the brakes and rotors are changed for this car as well. Detailed inside and outside, as well as the engine bay. Took the pictures of the car. Right now, all we need to do, put it on Facebook Marketplace and wait for a buyer. And then that way, you are selling a perfect car for a new buyer. I guess the new buyer will be happy with this car. And now, I'll just show you a real quick video of the end of our project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Share the video with your friends if you want them to sell their car fast enough. Thank you. No, you're special because if I don't give it to you, start crying.
It's because that's the special kind that
Abraham just bought a new BMW S1000R, which is the naked BMW, just like mine. So wait, there's another project coming, which we're gonna do an exhaust job on that one.
Cadillette.